Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a weighted piston cylinder system containing 11 grams of oxygen at an initial pressure of 21 kPa and a temperature of 101 degrees Celsius. The system is cooled until the pressure reaches 0 degrees Celsius. Find the change in volume during the cooling process. Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2. List all the given variables. Find the unknown. Step 3. Find the change in volume formula. Delta capital V is equal to final minus initial volume. We need to find both. Step 4. Find the initial volume formula. So capital V initial is equal to mRT divided by P. M is mass, R is the gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. Step 5, find the oxygen gas constant. You can search this on Google or your textbook. So it'll be 0.2598 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Step 6, now we just plug and play for the absolute temperature. Make sure you convert your 101 degrees Celsius to Kelvin by adding 273. So we just multiply the top, divide by the bottom. We'll get 0.050896 meters cubed. Step 7, find the final volume formula. So V final is equal to mRT divided by P, same as the initial volume. The only difference is the temperature. So step 8, we're going to find the final volume. We know it's going to be 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 plus 273, it's 273 Kelvin. The final volume is 0.037151 meters cubed. Step 9 is our answer for the change in volume. So the initial volume is in step 6 and the final volume is in step 8. So this is the final volume and the initial volume respectively. So final minus initial, so 0.037 minus 0.05, so we get minus 0.013745 meters cubed. So that means the volume actually decreases when it cools down. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can save this video by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, see ya.